channel. So today is day 4 of our Super Bowl tailgating video. Okay, I'm super excited. I guess you guys think that I bet you guys say, well, you say that all the time. Well, guess what? I am. Okay, so we are going to the end zone with this recipe. So today I'm going to show you how to make ham sliders. They are amazing. Okay, I eat these anytime, okay. Well, so anyways, with no further ado, because you can see, as you can tell, I'm like super excited about this video, this recipe. I guess I need to calm down a little bit. Let me tone it down just a little bit. Anyways, so with no further ado, let's jump right into this video. To start off, you will need 12 2-pack Hawaiian rolls. So I'm just gonna open them up. And before I even take them out of the tray, I am going to take some Pam spray, and I'm just gonna spray my pan. I'm gonna take my bread out. And you're gonna get a knife and you're just gonna cut it right down the middle. So you're just going to take the top off, just set it to the side, and I'm just going to move this one over, and I'm going to cut this one. I cut that one a little uneven, but it's okay. And you're gonna lay that top to the side. Now that I have cut our bread, you're going to get you some deli ham, which I'm going to do ham and turkey. So what I'm going to do is take my ham and turkey, start off with my turkey first, and I'm just going to lay it on here. You can fold it, but I'm just gonna lay it on there. It doesn't have to be perfect. Like that. Put this back in there. Now, I'm gonna take my ham, which I just got deli ham and turkey out of the turkey and ham out the deli in Food Lion or Walmart. And I'm gonna lay my ham on there like that. One more piece. Like I said, it don't have to be perfect. And then you want to take Swiss cheese. And you just want to lay it across there. Like that. And what I'm gonna do, I have a couple of slices of just American cheese. I'm just gonna open and lay it on there as well. So about 6 slices, 3 on each side, like that. And then you want to take your bread and you want to put it on top. Put it on top like that. Our ham sliders should look something like this. Now you want to get a medium saucepan. Put your eye on medium to high heat, and you want 1 stick of butter. And you want to melt that completely. My butter was frozen, so I forgot to take it out of the freezer, so mine's gonna take a little time to melt. But in the meantime, you want 1 stick of butter. You want a tablespoon of poppy seed. So a tablespoon of poppy seed. If I can get it open. I'm gonna have to get a knife. I believe sometimes they put these seals on here with super glue. Okay. So 1 tablespoon of poppy seed. Next you want 1 to 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. I'm sorry. You want 1.5 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. So that's 1. And I'm gonna get a 1/2 teaspoon. Like that. You want 1.5 teaspoon of Dijon mustard as well. So, whoa. So that's 1, and we're gonna get a 1/2. And the last ingredient, your onion powder. You want 1 teaspoon of onion powder. So this is a teaspoon, and you want 1/2. Now you just want to mix this together really good. Make sure there's no lumps in it. Make sure the butter is melted completely. So I'm just gonna continue to stir this until my butter has melted completely. Our butter, Worcestershire sauce, Dijon mustard, and poppy seeds and onion powder has mixed it well together. You just want to mix it very well, and you just want to drizzle it over the ham sandwiches. And now you want to cover it with aluminum foil. Cover it with aluminum foil, and you want to refrigerate for about 20 to 30 minutes until the butter is nice and firm, or you can refrigerate overnight. Our sliders have refrigerated for about 30 minutes. I had to condense down. I had to put it in another pan so that it could fit in my refrigerator, because the pan that I had it in originally was too big. So I'm just gonna put the cover on it, and I'm gonna put it in the oven. Put in the oven on 350, and you want to bake it covered for 30 minutes. Our sliders have cooked for 30 minutes. So I'm just gonna take the foil off. Hot. And they look good. So now you're just gonna place them back in the oven, and you're just gonna cook them for 2 minutes uncovered. So they good and brown at the bottom.
Let's go.
It's been 2 minutes, and I have took our sliders out of the oven, and they look amazing. Besides me messing them up, transferring them to one pan to another, they look amazing. I took y'all to the end zone with this recipe. Yay! Okay, so now I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this be one of your go-to appetizers for your tailgating Super Bowl party. So comment below and tell me what you think about this video. If you haven't subscribed, go make sure you go subscribe and go turn your bell on, because you don't want to miss an upload. And by the way, don't forget, I have uploaded 3 additional videos before this one, so you might want to go check those out too, just to give you a heads up. Okay, so anyway, with no further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until the next time, which will be tomorrow, until the next video, bye.